Meeting the other NCLA students was amazing, honestly. We all came from different backgrounds, and I feel like we all have different success stories, and it was really inspiring to hear everybody depict how they got here and their journey and all the struggles they've gone through.
All the students at NCLA are super inspiring. It's crazy the type of people that you'll meet because everyone lives such a different life and you just get so awestruck by the people around you.
It was super cool and super fun to hear their different backgrounds and how they come together, and you'll take a lot back, especially from the different perspectives, and it'll help you in all avenues of your life.
We bonded over a lot of the activities, and it was just so nice to see so many young students like me that were interested in politics.
To interact with people from different states made me feel really good, and I can tell that with some of these people I'm gonna have lifelong friendships with.
One thing I learned this week is you can be passionate about your ideals but still be respectful, and in politics there's a lot of different ideas that might be very controversial, but you can still have your own opinions and respect others.
I think the most valuable career advice I received this week is that going to law school can have a great impact on whatever field you end up deciding to go to.
I'm coming out of this really interested in criminal law and foreign policy, just because our experiences at the Chilean embassy and at the State Department really opened my eyes to the opportunities in those fields.
One of my most memorable experiences was actually the first day, the Young Lawyers panel, where I got to meet young lawyers. They're very diverse, and it really affirmed that I could be a young lawyer one day too.
One piece of advice I'd give to a student attending next year is be open. I feel like meeting all these new people has really opened me up to so many experiences, and I feel like if I would have been closed off and not as outgoing, it wouldn't have been as great.
I would really say you need to embrace things that are uncomfortable to you. There's some issues that are hard to talk about, and you need to embrace them and give your honest opinion on it.
It's bigger than just going to see some monuments. You will learn more about these minds. You'll learn more about your career path. It's bigger than just being a lawyer in a brown room with notes and stacks of sticky paper. It's more than that. It's being an activist, being a part of policy.
The biggest takeaway from all of this is that I can accomplish anything. I'm surrounded by a lot of really inspiring people, and I know that my culture will be represented in the future, and I hope to do that for other individuals.
One of my biggest takeaways is that even if you're young, you still have a voice, and your voice matters. Your voice is powerful, and you shouldn't be afraid to speak out on what you believe.
Really understand each other and have an open mind when communicating with other people, and that it's okay to change your mind and not be stuck within your own political or legal beliefs.
It's much more than just where you come from. The world around us is big and vast, and it makes me want to wonder, I just want to get out more and see the world around me, not just in the U.S., but to learn more and more each day.